Hey guys, this is Chadley again from Metalworks. We've got our 55 hardtop back from the acid dip shop. Give you a quick look at it here. It's a pretty decent body, no real shocks coming back. Got your typical floor rust. A little bit of rocker and quarter panel. Trunk looks really nice. A little bit of rot down here in each of the corners, right by the lead seam. A little bit of old repair down here in the rear quarter. Same rust on this side, but this rocker for the most part looks good. Again, you can see how nice the bodies come back from acid dip. We do every one of our full restorations like this. We have for over 20 years. It's just a great ground zero point for the cars. There's no ability for anything to be hiding when you take them down this far. Still got all the loose components, doors, hood, trunk, all that kind of stuff to dip yet. So check back. We'll be getting those back from the acid shop pretty soon. Take care.